Here's how to tackle structure and purpose questions on the PSAT or SAT. First, we're going to start with purpose questions. So purpose questions will always start like this. What choice best describes the function of the underlined sentence as the text in a whole? That is what purpose questions are. So I'm going to be using the acronym ACE, and A stands for analyze. And so first we're going to read the whole passage. And I know, reading the whole passage, but the whole point is to see how the underlined sentence affects the text as a whole. So we need the whole text to figure out, what it means. C stands for clarify, and so we're going to be clarifying what you think the function of the underlined text means in your own words. And when I think about function, I just think about what is the sentence doing? What new information is it giving me? And then I'd write or think about it in my head, an answer and my prediction to that. And E stands for eliminate, so you're going to be eliminating answers that don't align with your clarification. And that's it. That's how you do purpose questions on the PSAT or SAT. Moving on to structure questions. How you identify a structure question is it will normally say, which choice best describes the overall structure of the text? And we're still going to be using the ACE acronym, analyze, clarify, and eliminate, but it's going to be a little bit different. So for analyze, we're still going to be reading the whole passage, but instead of just focusing on an underlined portion, we're going to be looking for the different sections in the piece of text. And so the next step is clarifying what those sections are. Normally, a passage will have 2 or 3 different sections. It's never going to be more than 3 different sections. So while you're reading, just think okay, this happens, then it's this, or there's just 2, but you want to make your own prediction on what you think the answer would be. And the last step, again, is elimination. You want to eliminate the answers that don't align with your predictions. I hope this video helped you with structure and purpose questions. Stay tuned for my next video on central ideas and details.